25 Secrets to Making Money in Real Estate. Napoleon Hill inspired. Intro. Throughout history, real estate has created more millionaires than any other investment vehicle. But the secret isn't just in owning land or houses, it's in applying timeless success principles. Principles shared by Napoleon Hill, the author of Think and Grow Rich. Today, I will reveal 25 secrets, drawn from Hill's philosophy, that can turn real estate into your path to lasting wealth. Listen closely, because one idea here could change your financial destiny forever. 1. Define a clear goal. Napoleon Hill taught that riches begin with a definite goal. Don't just say, "I want to make money in real estate." Decide, "I will earn $1 million through rental properties within 5 years." Clarity attracts power. The universe responds to precision. 2. Desire is the starting point. Every success starts with burning desire. The desire to own your first property, the desire to create financial freedom, the desire to break free from poverty. If your desire is weak, your results will be weak. But when your desire is strong, nothing can stop you. 3. Specialized knowledge. Hill warned that general knowledge will never make you rich. You must acquire specialized knowledge. Learn how to analyze neighborhoods, financing options, market cycles, and tax benefits. Knowledge of real estate compounds into wealth. 4. Imagination creates deals. Imagination is your workshop of wealth. Can you imagine turning an old warehouse into luxury lofts? Can you see the potential in a rundown house? Every profitable real estate deal begins in the imagination of an investor. 5. The mastermind principle. No one succeeds alone. You need a team: agents, contractors, lawyers, lenders. Hill called this a mastermind alliance. Together, you create more wealth than you could ever do alone. 6. Decision-making power. Hill discovered that successful people make decisions quickly and firmly. Real estate deals are lost when you hesitate. Train yourself to act fast when opportunity knocks. 7. Taking calculated risks. Risk is part of the game, but it must be calculated. Study the numbers, run scenarios, then step forward with courage. Fortune favors the bold. 8. Persistence pays. In real estate, you will hear no more than you hear yes. Deals fall apart. Tenants leave. Markets shift. But persistence is the golden key. Wealth always rewards the one who refuses to quit. 9. Organized planning. Don't invest blindly. Have a plan. Will you build passive income through rentals, quick cash through flipping, or long-term growth through land banking? Organized planning makes success inevitable. 10. The subconscious magnet. Feed your subconscious mind with images of wealth, successful deals, and abundance. Your mind attracts what it constantly thinks about. See yourself signing that property deed before it happens. 11. Faith in your investments. Hill said, "Faith is the eternal elixir." Believe in your decisions. Believe in your vision. Real estate rewards those who act with confidence, not those who doubt themselves. 12. The power of leverage. Other people's money, or OPM, is the lifeblood of real estate. Banks, private investors, and partnerships allow you to control assets bigger than your savings. Learn to leverage, and you multiply wealth. 13. Timing the market. Timing matters. Buy when others are fearful. Sell when others are greedy. Napoleon Hill would remind you, wealth is not made by following the crowd, but by thinking independently. 14. Value over price. Never chase cheap deals alone. Focus on value. A property in the right location will outperform 10 cheap ones in the wrong place. Value is wealth disguised. 15. Master negotiation. In real estate, the money is made when you buy. Negotiation is your sword. Learn to ask, to listen, to create win-win outcomes. The better negotiator always walks away richer. 16. Multiple streams of income. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Rentals, commercial leases, Airbnbs, land appreciation. Diversify. Multiple streams build financial freedom faster. 17. Auto-suggestion for wealth. Repeat daily. I am a successful real estate investor. Profitable opportunities flow to me. Hill proved that what you affirm long enough becomes reality. 18. Learn from failures. Every failure carries the seed of an equal or greater success. If you lose money in one deal, study it, learn, and grow stronger. Mistakes are tuition for financial education. 19. Go the extra mile. Offer more than expected. Renovate properties better than the competition. treat tenants like family. Excellence builds a reputation that creates wealth effortlessly. 20. Reputation is wealth. In real estate, your reputation is your currency. If people trust you, doors will always open. Protect it with integrity. 21. Control your emotions. Don't let fear paralyze you. Don't let greed blind you. Emotions ruin investors. Logic and discipline make millionaires. 22. Build passive income. Trading time for money is a trap. Rentals, leases, and cash-flowing properties give you freedom. Passive income is the secret to permanent wealth. 23. Location is everything. Napoleon Hill taught, opportunity often hides in plain sight. In real estate, that hiding place is location. A great property in a bad location becomes a liability. But an average property in a great location turns into gold. 24. Wealth through service. The law of success is service. Real estate is not about buildings, it's about people. Provide safe homes, better communities, and real value. Wealth flows to those who serve. 25. Never stop learning. The world changes, laws, technology, and opportunities evolve. Keep learning, keep growing. The investor who learns forever earns forever. Closing. My friend, these are not just real estate secrets. They are universal laws of success applied to property. Napoleon Hill proved that wealth is a mindset first and a reality second. Desire, faith, persistence, specialized knowledge, combine these with real estate, and financial freedom will be yours. Call to action. If you found value in this video, take action today. Write down your real estate goals. Share this video with others who dream of financial freedom. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with the secret that spoke to you the most. Remember, riches do not respond to wishes. They respond to definite plans, backed by definite action.